All right, guys. Same day, different video. So we're gonna be working on the heads now. You guys see me? The block. We're sitting in the sun. Just go where it hits it good. There we go. That's the block sitting in the sun, drying up. Okay, guys. I got a mess over here. I gotta start cleaning up. So after the heads, I'm gonna do a supercharger. But right now, I have all these stuff right here lined up. All right, passenger side, driver side, cam, chains, all that good stuff, separate. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do right now is I'm gonna go ahead and get the heads in there and start prepping them, putting them together. You know, lifters, rocker arms, cams. Make sure everything spins correctly, everything's sitting right. Put my header bolts back on. The guy took off, I think like 2 or 3. He had to take them off. So he took them off. And yeah, guys. So this is a whole new video. Same day. New video. I just kind of want to keep things separate. I did work on the block. I did do the block already. Bam, it's done. I want to do the heads now. And then I'll do a video for the supercharger. Giving you guys a little bit of content so it doesn't get boring. Nice short videos. A little bit of content. You know what I mean? And get things going, you know. I'm trying to get everything done. Hopefully by next week this truck will be running. And yeah, guys, so I'll just give you guys a little sneak peek of what I'm talking about. It's right there. Got both heads already. Look at this, guys. Let me zoom out. You guys can see the whole damn thing. God damn it, Ricky Bobby. Look at that. Woo! What a beaut. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and set it up right now. Put the heads inside. They're all clean and ready to go. And yeah, guys, let's get to it. All right, guys, so this is the front, I believe. Huh. Yeah, this is the front one because of the temperature sensor goes right here. And then this one just plugs out over here on this side. So this is front, driver's side. We start taking it apart, start putting everything on, which is this right here. And yeah, let's get to it, guys. So what you guys are gonna need is gonna be a 10mm. Start taking these out. Now, guys, when I took these off, I did mark them. You gotta make sure these are marked. Okay, if you misplace the placement of these, you're gonna be fucked. You gotta waste a lot of time going back and forth, blah blah blah, yada yada. Please, you guys doing this, make sure to mark them. The position that they go, 1, 2, and 3. I'm lucky enough because I have these little rails right here. So what I normally do, I just mark the dot in the direction they're supposed to go in, and I'll set them up, you know, in the way they're supposed to sit. So I got a little base marker. All it takes is a little dot on the side. That should tell me what direction we're going in, right? Down, down. Down. So you guys could tell right here they're organized. Bada bing, bada boom. Right there, organized, not moved, not nothing. So what you want to first do before you assemble anything back together, make sure your surfaces are clean. Now, maybe with an oily rag will be fine. You don't want oil on these, you don't want them bone dry either. Yep, don't hit it against anything like I just did. But, yeah. What I'll do is set my cam down right here. And there, see how it's spinning freely? Once I put these caps back on, that's the way it's supposed to sit and spin. And I'm just doing this to double check before I put anything on that all my caps are correct, that they didn't get swapped out around at the machine shop or whatever, you know, what have you. Because if one of these is tight and you start that engine, that ain't gonna be nice. It ain't gonna be fun for you guys. So before we assemble anything else, we want to make sure these are on right. And check it out. Start them by hand. There you go. Tie it down. See how it spins freely? Meaning we're in business. There's no grinding. There's no hesitation of it spinning. I can spin it freely. So we are Gucci. Repeat the process one more time. Bam, bam. It's a little harder now. There was something on the block. You do grab something and hit it to get it out, make sure you don't touch your can at all. Okay. Make sure that does not happen, because you will be shit out of luck. I want to chip that fucker. I don't have one right now on me, but it better be have a rubber mallet, some that won't damage the surface of your cams. As you guys can tell, I'm lightly tapping it right there. Get it too close to the cam. Put the cam aside. Put it right next to it if you want. Now my lifters, I went ahead and put them aside accordingly, the way they sit. Okay, like that. With their rocker arms, just the way I took them out, that's the way they're going in. I'll show you with the other one. You can probably see down here. I'll show you with that one once I bring it up here, how I set them up, so you guys get an idea. I use a piece of cardboard, tore some holes in it, and going back in the way it was supposed to. me go ahead and put the cam back on. Now the cam, you wanted to sit where you had it prior to your markings. That way when it sits, you will have had the same position it was in on your valves. Alright, so there is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11, 12, 13. Like that. Please, God. Be careful with this shit. Perfect. Spring loaded. I already almost lost a finger by holding this and right here with this edge. It's no bueno. Yeah, guys. Now, this block, this head is gonna go down. Yeah, the timer's gotta move a little bit. I fucked up, but it'll be at 12 degrees. Be straight. Once you put the chains on and tensions it will be straight. Right, as close as you're gonna get it. I'm gonna go at the other head and start on it. That one's gonna be a time lapse for you guys. It's the exact same procedure, just backward. Everything on the right side. Yeah, this is it. Assembled back together. Oh yeah, I gotta put the guide. So you took it out, I gotta put it back on real quick. Just hammer it in. So basically this block has it here on the driver's side. I gotta put it on the back side, would be your left corner. Okay, that's what we gotta do to be able to mount it, just to see. Probably just slap on the head just to see how it looks. I'm patient, you know. Yeah, guys, it's dried up already. It kind of left the orangey look ish. I don't know. It is what it is. I mean, I don't want to put some Rust-Oleum on there and then with the heat it burns out, whatever. So yeah, guys, I don't want these damages or peeling off with time, you know what I mean? So yeah, so see here, right here, he left my nuts on there and one of those files, 2 there, 1 for each head. So let me take this one in there. Start doing the same thing, guys. Yeah. Once more, I'm gonna give you guys another treat. Sheesh. But you look at that, guys. Looking beautiful. Alright, you guys, heads are assembled, ready to go. Now we're gonna start on this one right here. Try to clean this one up. I'm not too sure. I might go red or I might go silver. Probably silver. So yeah, let's get to it, guys. Let's put it right here. Start cleaning it up. Let's get it.